Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Welcome to Laravel series. Today I'm covering something completely different now. Exactly, it doesn't technically add any functionality, but it is a great must have for any developer that loves Laravel's Fluent API, where you get to change things together for one those things is strength. So let me start with an example to illustrate what I am talking about. So in PHP Storm I have a route called example. Let me demonstrate it for you. And let's say I have a string. Let's say how are you? Okay, and just the string. Okay, and that's it. PHP artisan serve. Now let's say we have a string with a couple of extra spaces and we want to trim it. So here we can say that the string is equal to trim and string, which automatically remove the spaces from the string. So let's test it out. Here you can see that it has remove extra spaces and now let's say we want another operation with the string, so we have to say that a string is equal to str replaces all spaces with this and frame string. Okay, save it and that's it. Yeah, you can see the output is the same, but you can see here the code is not readable. You can see that str replace and trim are together in one line. It is not a readable format, so let's make it readable using a php string class. Now let's say you want to add the use the str class, so let's test it out how it works. So first of all you have to import the use illuminate support and then say str. Okay, now here you can say string is equal to str the test title. Now let's say string. Okay, and let's test it out. So here you can see that we have the same input. Okay, now let's say that we want to do something with this string. So let's say we want to after last after after last uh, are return everything. Okay, you can see that it so you have see that it return the u. Now let's say we want to remove the spaces, so let's do it again and we can say that trim. Let's make it more readable. Yeah, yeah. So here you can see the code is the same, and the code is much readable, and it's much faster than the previous code which was not readable, and the syntax is perfect here.